company whose legacy extends far beyond real estate, something that they have delivered so many multiple companies with their excellence. I am talking about Shapoorji Pallonji, who have spread their wings across many different industries. Today we are going to talk about their upcoming project in Gurugram and also get into the details of it. So let's talk about it. Shapoorji Pallonji has been in the industry for more than 150 years, which marks their legacy as one of the most trustworthy companies. Hi, my name is Priyanka Sharma and welcome back to another video by Privilege Assets Management. Shapoorji Pallonji was founded in 1865 and is also India's oldest business conglomerate. With a legacy of over 150 years, Shapoorji Pallonji has a very crucial role to play in the engineering and construction solutions. They have their headquarters in Mumbai with 60 different offices across the globe. Shapoorji Pallonji operates in key business areas such as construction and engineering, real estate and infrastructure, water and energy, manufacturing and financial services. Well, although Shapoorji Pallonji has their wings across many businesses, their most successful business is actually constructing commercial and residential projects. They not just build their projects with the best quality but also promises innovation, sustainability and architectural brilliance. Their philosophy is built on integrity, quality and customer first design. They have consistently built projects that has passed the test of time. Now let's get into the achievements of Shapoorji Pallonji. It is India's first 60-story residential tower, restoration of the iconic Taj Mahal, landmark infrastructure across Asia, Africa and Middle East, including RBI in New Delhi, Cyber City in Gurgaon, Imperial Towers in Mumbai, Chenab Railway Bridge in Jammu and Kashmir, World Trade Center in New Delhi, Warner Brothers Hotel in Abu Dhabi, ITC Narmada in Ahmedabad, BAPS Hindu Mandir in Abu Dhabi, Atal Tunnel in Uttarakhand, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in New Delhi. Even their tagline says, built to last and engineered to inspire. The group operates in 14 companies and has 35,000 employees and is also playing key role in 6 different sectors. Now that we have talked about their legacy, let's move on and talk about their footprint that they have in Gurugram. In Gurgaon, Shapoorji Pallonji made its mark with projects like Joy Villa Sector 102, offering premium, thoughtfully designed homes that blend modern luxury with sustainable living. The group delivers advanced construction technology such as precast technology, My1 construction and green building technology. Their homes deliver efficient layouts, smart designs and earthquake resistance while staying true to their core nature of trust and transparency. Now let's talk about Shapoorji Pallonji's upcoming project. They are coming up with the most exciting and ultra luxury project in Gurugram in Sector 46, one of the most sought out addresses in the city. Now let's take a closer look at the location, project details and what's there in the store for them to offer you. As Sector 46 is an established and well-connected neighborhood, the key landmarks of this area include Cyber City and Golf Course Road, which is just approximately 12 minutes away, Taj Hotel only 5 minutes drive from here, Medanta and CK Birla Hospital just 7 minutes drive, IKEA only 2 minutes away, Huda City Center Metro and Fortis only 8 minutes away, NH8 just 5 minutes away, Dwarka Expressway only 15 minutes away, Sona Road just 2 minutes away, and reputed schools like DPS, DAV, Amity are all within the vicinity of only 5 to 10 minutes away. Something that all the viewers out there should know is that this is the only high-rise residential project in the area, making it a truly one-of-a-kind. Now let's deep dive into the upcoming project of Shapoorji Pallonji, which is also one of the ultra-luxurious projects that they are going to deliver in Gurugram. Spread across in a land of 2 acres, they are going to deliver 2 iconic towers with a height of 40 floors. The residential apartment starts from the 7th floor and below that you will get all the commercial space along with the clubhouse and parking spaces as well. Now, let me give you a bit of more detail about how the apartment and the building is going to look like, where it is going to offer you 2 different typologies, 3 BHKs and 4 BHKs. When we talk about 3 BHKs, it comes with 4 core and 2 parking spaces, and the 4 BHKs comes with 2 core and 3 parking spaces. The size of the apartment of 3 BHK is going to be starting from 2,800 square feet, going up till 3,000 square feet, and the size of 4 BHK is going to start from 3,500 square feet, going till 3,600 square feet. Now that was all about the apartment and the size and the configuration. Now let's talk about the clubhouse, which is something everybody wants. Has to be massive, has to be beautiful, brilliant, giving you all the world-class amenities. Well, in this one, you're going to get much more than whatever you can think of. The clubhouse is going to be a size of 60,000 square feet, offering you all the world-class amenities, everything, you name it, and they're going to give it to you. Now, even though we have covered most of the part, there is something which is very, very important and unique about this project. Gurgaon has the biggest problem of parking, but in this amazing project, you get 4 levels of underground parking along with 3 levels of upper ground parking as well. So that's a lot of parking. You can have as many guests as over, and the parking will never be a problem. Another amazing fun fact about this project is that they are also offering 85% of the greens, making sure that the AQI always remains low. Well, since I have told you so much about the project and the amenities, let's now get into the pricing and payment plans. The 3 BHK starts from 6.8 crores plus TLC, and the 4 BHK starts from 8.2 crores plus TLC. There's a flexible and tailored payment plan options available, starting from 30, 40, 30, or you can opt for another option which is 25x4 milestone based payment plan. Well, now that we have discussed all the amenities and facilities that this project has to offer, now let's deep dive into the ROI. Every time a client invests in a project, they're always looking at what is going to be the ROI. Let me tell you that. If you're somebody who's investing today for a long time, let's say 5 years, then the starting rate will be 24,000 square feet, going up to 40,000 square feet. That is a massive growth. Knowing that Shapoorji Pallonji is a trustworthy brand, having their back while there is also an appreciation in this project, we can guarantee that this project is going to set a landmark in ultra luxury project. Well, that was all about Shapoorji Pallonji's upcoming ultra luxurious project. If you're somebody who liked this video and want to invest in this project, contact us right now. Our number is mentioned down below. You can reach us out and we will let you know all about this project.